Have you ever wondered where the desert meets the ocean, creating a spectacle unlike any other? Imagine a place where the vast arid expanse of the Namib Desert kisses the cool, vibrant waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to the enigma that is Namibia's coast. This unique geographical juncture paints a picture of stark contrasts. On one side, the relentless sun beats down on the world's oldest desert, a seemingly endless sea of dunes, parched and lifeless. Yet where it meets the ocean, life thrives in abundance. The Atlantic, with its chilly Benguela current, teems with a myriad of marine life, offering a vibrant palette against the monochrome desert backdrop. This striking convergence of ecosystems, the barren desert and the teeming ocean, creates a landscape that is as breathtaking as it is rare. A place that's a testament to the enduring resilience of nature. So let's dive into the oceanic riches and desert treasures of Namibia's coast. Imagine an ocean that is rich with marine life, a paradise for divers and marine biologists alike. Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean along Namibia's coast, a world teeming with life, an underwater utopia, if you will. This is a place where the term biodiversity takes on a whole new meaning. Let's dive into this aquatic paradise. You'll find dolphins here, playfully darting through the waves, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. They are not alone in these waters. They share this marine world with seals, their large, soulful eyes and playful personalities, making them captivating creatures to observe. But it's not just about these charismatic mammals. The fish variety here is astounding. An array of colors and shapes, each species more fascinating than the last. From the smallest, vibrant reef fish to the formidable predators, each one holds an essential place in this marine ecosystem. What makes this all possible? It's the Benguela Current, a cold, nutrient-rich ocean current that flows northward off the coast of southern Africa. It's the lifeblood of this marine world, the driving force that nourishes this rich marine life. It's the reason why the waters off Namibia's coast are a veritable feast for the senses, a living kaleidoscope of colors and shapes. This is a place of constant discovery, a place that never ceases to amaze or inspire. Each day brings new wonders, new species to observe, new behaviors to document. It's a marine biologist's dream, a diver's paradise, an underwater world that captivates and enthralls all who venture here. The oceanic riches of Namibia's coast are a testament to the wonders nature has to offer. This is a world that goes beyond the ordinary, beyond what we think we know about our oceans. It's a world that inspires awe and reverence, reminding us of the incredible diversity and beauty that lie beneath the waves. It's a world that deserves to be explored, to be cherished, and most importantly, to be protected. From the oceanic splendor we move to the seemingly barren but surprisingly rich Namib Desert. The Namib Desert, a vast expanse of shifting sands and relentless sun, may appear inhospitable at first glance, yet it is teeming with life. A testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. A closer look reveals a fascinating array of flora and fauna, each uniquely adapted to thrive in these harsh conditions. Take, for instance, the Welwitschia plant, a botanical enigma that can live for over 1,000 years, drawing moisture from the foggy air with its 2 ever-growing leaves. A survivor from the age of dinosaurs, it's a living testament to endurance, a symbol of life's tenacity against the odds. The desert's animal life is equally remarkable. Consider the Namib desert beetle, a tiny creature with a big lesson to teach about water conservation. Its back is covered in bumps and valleys, a pattern that allows it to collect water from the morning fog, a precious lifeline in this parched landscape. And let's not forget the desert elephants, a sight to behold. These gentle giants have adapted to the arid conditions with longer legs and smaller bodies than their savanna counterparts, allowing them to travel vast distances in search of water and food. They are a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder that life in all its forms finds a way. While the desert may seem barren, it is a thriving ecosystem, a complex interplay of life and environment. Every plant, every animal has found a way to survive, to adapt, to thrive. They have turned adversity into opportunity, a lesson we humans could well learn from. A desert is more than just sand and heat. It's a world of survival, of adaptation, of life in its most resilient form. And the Namib Desert, with its unique inhabitants, is a shining example of this. The desert, it seems, holds its own treasures, if one has the eye to see them. Nestled between the desert and the ocean, the coastal towns of Namibia have stories to tell. Let's journey to these charming locales where the sands of the Namib Desert meet the cool Atlantic waves. Our first stop is Swakopmund, a town that's often referred to as the playground of Namibia. It's a place where adventure and history intertwine. Founded by German colonists in the late 19th century, Swakopmund retains a distinct architectural character. You can see it in the ornate pastel-colored buildings that line its streets, echoing the Jugendstil, or Art Nouveau style, popular in Germany at the time. But the town is not just a time capsule. It is a living, breathing testament to the fusion of cultures. Traditional Herero dresses blend seamlessly with lederhosen in local festivals, and German bakeries share street corners with vendors selling kapana, a popular Namibian street food. Now let's move south to Walvis Bay. Known as the Diamond of Namibia, this town is the country's main harbor and a hub of industrial activity. But don't let that fool you. Walvis Bay is equally rich in history and culture. Its lagoon is a feast for the eyes, home to flamingos and other migratory birds. The town's history is etched in its architecture too. The Walvis Bay Church, a small, whitewashed building, stands as a reminder of the town's colonial past. Its streets buzz with a blend of languages: English, Afrikaans, Oshiwambo, and Damara, to name a few. These towns are not just about their past, though. They're about the present and the future, too. They're about the people who call them home, the traditions they hold dear, and the future they're building together. These coastal towns, with their unique blend of cultures, are a perfect example of the diversity Namibia has to offer. The beauty of Namibia's coast isn't just in its natural splendor, but also in the efforts made to preserve it. Namibia's commitment to conservation is evident in the numerous measures taken to protect its unique ecosystems. The Namib Desert, one of the world's oldest deserts, and the Atlantic Ocean, home to an array of marine life, are both under the watchful eye of conservationists. The Namib-Naukluft National Park, the largest game park in Africa, is a crucial part of these efforts. It serves as a sanctuary for a variety of desert-adapted species, including the extraordinary Welwitschia plant, which can live for over 1,000 years, and the elusive desert elephants, uniquely adapted to survive in arid conditions. The Skeleton Coast Park, named after the numerous shipwrecks that dot its shoreline, is another conservation area of note. Here, the cold Benguela Current nourishes an abundance of marine life, with seals, dolphins, and even whales making regular appearances. The park also safeguards a fascinating desert ecology where lions, elephants, and giraffes roam amidst the sand dunes. But the conservation efforts extend beyond the national parks. The Namibian government has established several marine reserves along its Atlantic coastline to protect its rich marine biodiversity. The Dorob National Park, for instance, extends from the Skeleton Coast in the north to the Namib-Naukluft in the south, creating a continuous protected area from the desert to the sea. Local communities, too, are active participants in conservation. They are involved in community-based natural resource management programs where they manage and benefit from wildlife and tourism. These initiatives empower local communities, reduce poaching, and promote sustainable tourism. Namibia's conservation efforts are a beacon of hope in a world grappling with environmental challenges. They show that with commitment, collaboration, and respect for nature, we can protect our planet's precious ecosystems. Namibia's commitment to conservation ensures that the oceanic riches and desert treasures continue to flourish. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, Namibia's coast offers not just breathtaking landscapes, but also inspiring stories of conservation. In the span of a few minutes, we've journeyed from the ocean depths to the desert heights. We've found ourselves marveling at the unique geographical location of Namibia, a land where the Atlantic Ocean's waves meet the dunes of the Namib Desert. We've delved into the oceanic riches, a world teeming with marine life. From vibrant corals to majestic whales, we've wandered through the desert treasures where ancient rock formations tell tales of a time long past. We've strolled through the coastal towns where cultures blend and thrive amidst a backdrop of breathtaking landscapes. And we've seen the conservation efforts, the tireless work of individuals and organizations dedicated to preserving this land's natural beauty and biodiversity. A testament to the collective power of humanity when we choose to respect and safeguard our planet's wonders. As we conclude our journey, we leave you with a thought. Nature's wonders are endless, and it is up to us to cherish and protect them.